Everybody go to breakfast.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Foxy, and if you're new here, hey girl, hey. Today we have ourselves another wig install. Now ILikeHair was kind enough to send your girl their 18-inch curly wig kinky edges unit. Amazing. But before we jump into that video, please don't forget to follow your girl on Instagram. Also, please don't forget to hit that button down below. Now let's jump into this install. So this is what the unit is looking like. So she is 18 inches, like I mentioned, kinky edges, 13 by 4 frontal, standard 2 combs to the side, 1 comb to the back, and now I'm just throwing on my wig cap. We are going to be putting the unit on our head. So this is what our girl is looking like. Now the color of this unit is natural black. If I haven't mentioned, she is 180 density. So baby girl got a bit of body on her, all right? Now I'm just running my fingers through the hair. She is very soft. But what got me in a chokehold with these ILikeHair units, girl, are these kinky edges. Now I've had this unit from them before with their kinky straight hair, and it honestly was a dream come true. So the fact that I was able to test out their curly unit, let me tell you, I was excited. Now right now you guys just see me cutting the lace off the unit, and as you guys can see, I am going very slow. Being that the edges are very kinky, I don't want to cut them off. I want to keep as much as possible, and I don't want the razor to just cut straight through them. So I would say when doing this, make sure you are taking your time. Just now I know you guys just seen I cut a little bit of edge off, but it's all right. But definitely take your time. We want all the kinky edges that we can get. The more kinky edges we have, the more realistic and natural our girl is gonna look. Now going in with my even lace spray, I'm just spraying a layer all at the perimeter of my forehead and just rubbing that in with my finger. Now let's get to the fun part, styling. Now going in with my detangling brush, and I'm just detangling the hair just a little bit, not too much. Going in with some mousse because I'm kind of going for the wet and wavy look. I didn't really have an idea of what kind of style I was gonna do, but in this video you guys will see about 2 or 3 hairstyles that you can attempt with this wig. Like I mentioned, she is a 13 by 4 frontal, 180 density, she is 18 inches, and this is seriously straight from the box to my head, so you guys have an idea of what you're working with. And yeah, look at our girl all nice and wet now. The mousse that I used for my hair was the Cream of Nature mousse. If you need to know, I didn't include that in the video, but that's my favorite mousse to use. Now I'm just taking that detangling comb and I'm just throwing the hair over. As far as shedding for this wig, please keep in mind that this is a curly unit, so I did experience some light shedding, but nothing too crazy. No tangles, but then again, keep in mind that this was straight out the box. I don't know exactly how she would be after you wash, condition, and do all that extra stuff, but as of right now, edges, softness, curls, and all defined. Baby, she is so freaking cute. Now I'm going in with my rat tail because I'm gonna do a middle part. Now if I wanted this to be my main style, I would have went in with some concealer, maybe my, what is it called, my hot comb, and just press it out. But being that I knew that I wasn't gonna keep it in this style, I did not want to mold it. But I did want to show you guys that that is a possibility. You have more than enough parting space to do a middle part if that is what you desire. But me, I'm a toss over kind of girl. But back to the few styles. So now I'm about to do an updo, kind of just like a half up, half down with 2 curls, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, from a scale of 1 to 10, I would give this unit a strong a strong 9.5. Honestly, I would give it a 10. I think I'm lying, because I was gonna give it a 9.5 because of the light shedding, but those kinky edges, it's almost like you get brownie points, because not you having edges that imitate my hair. I really like that. I like that a lot. So your girl is a strong 9.5, 10. She is so freaking cute. Yes, you will experience light shedding, but please expect that with curly hair. Human, synthetic, girl, it does not matter. But this is raw hair, 18 inches, curly, and she is bomb. Okay, so this is the half up half down style. Very cute, but you know me, I'm gonna go to what I know and what I like, and what that is is a toss over to the side. So just cutting that rubber band out of my hair. I like to do that because I really don't like taking out black rubber bands, especially out of curly hair. I just feel like it gets tangled up. But yeah, that was pretty much it. Look at our edges. The install came out amazing. The lace was HD, so amazing. But shout out to ILikeHair for sending us this beautiful unit. It was very much so appreciated. But that was it for today's video, you guys. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Please don't forget to turn on your post notifications so you know when your girl is posting next. And until next time, I will see you guys later. Adios.